Hello students! How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. OO is a digraph sound that is taught as part of the jolly phonics. There are two versions of OO sound, a LongOO sound and the short OO sound. So, in today's class, I am going to teach you about LongOO sound. An O sound is a vowel sound which we use to create speaking LongOO. For example, spoon. In spoon, we make LongOO sound. Some more examples of LongOO are moon, room, cool, loop, food, zoo, roof, shoot, tooth, and many more words are there. Now, it's a rhyme time, so let's get started. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's sing it again. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? If you like my way of teaching the concept, then hit like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit subscribe button too.